Have you ever tried to make a Stumble Guys character in Workshop? Well, that's what I'm doing. As you guys may or may not know, depending on if you've been watching this channel for a while or not. One of my favorite skins is the Sunny skin. Okay, I'm just gonna move this finish line and then make a base. I'm going to speed this up not to bore you guys, so I'll see you when I'm done. And that's going to be about it for this video. Feel free to play it. Share code is on screen now.